welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to create this colorful cut crease. It's a half cut crease. I just feel more comfortable doing half cut creases than full cut creases. I've been really into them lately. The only thing that I don't like is because I have hooded eyes, I need to basically work a little harder on a cut crease. I'm gonna attempt not to talk too much throughout the video so it could be a little shorter. Anyway, so NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the color Bright. I used one Anastasia shadow called Violet. I'm going to be priming the eyelid with some concealer. So now that our lids are pretty primed, we're gonna go ahead and start applying eyeshadow. Or we're not going to be setting this concealer. And I'm going to place that shadow, I guess this is going to be like my second transition color. Since I don't have much lid space, I do like to bring these colors all the way up, almost touching the brow. The shadow will go in my crease area. Going back in with my first brush, I'm just going to blend those edges. This brush doesn't have a name, but I know it's by Morphe. It's in the Rose Gold collection. Tapered brush, and then I'm gonna start applying that right on the crease as well. And we're gonna go back in with the hot pink shade in a second. Going back in with my first brush, I am going to blend the edges again. And then I'm going to apply that on the crease as well with that same brush. So we're just gonna continue to blend. Concealer in the back of my hand and this flat painting brush. Overlapping the yellow a little bit, but the orange is gonna go right in the center. I'm skipping a wing today because I don't want to cover any of my eyeshadow today because I have really small tiny eyes, and if I apply a wing I'm just gonna cover basically everything I just did. Well, not everything, but you know. Okay, so for primer I'm gonna go in with my Hangover Rx. I love this stuff. We're about to go back to the face, but taking my pencil brush, I'm going to just pick up some of the orange shadow. So for highlight, I'm going in with Champagne Pop by Becca. So I'm gonna go in with a nude lip. I'm taking MAC Whirl. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible paint in the shade 342. I had filmed a previous video, but I was having technical difficulties and wasn't able to upload it. But in this video, I guess I'll also, since I did say I was gonna do like my whole review on this foundation, I think my Fenty Beauty is still like my #1, and then this would probably be like my #2 as of now. I really like these, but this is the one I wore today, and it's really nice. It's really flawless. And I really love these eyelashes because they have a really thin band, and also they're not too dramatic to where it's covering my whole lid. You can still see the colors on my lid. Cute. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.